Is up, my YouTubers? Thank you for joining my channel today. And I got a flower here. If you are a subscriber, thank you and welcome back. If you're not a subscriber, you know what to do. Also, hit the like. If you have any comments, please definitely comment below. Ask me any questions you have. But today's video will be on a mascara that I am in love with. I got it from Amazon. The first time that I tried this mascara, I actually got it for free. So I have different programs that I'm a part of that I get different free products. It's not only beauty products, it's a wide variety of different products. And if anyone is interested in learning more about that, comment below and I'll do a video to show you guys how you can get free products, discounted products from Amazon, just for giving your honest review. So again, my daughter is in here. You want to sit on my lap? You want to sit on my lap? You want to sit on my lap and show them how you do my makeup? Okay. So, come here. Come here. So, this is Mackenzie. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. You say hello?
Hello.
Say, hey, YouTubers.
Hi to yours.
My daughter is 2. So, this is the product that I'm going to be talking about today. It's from LashFactory. It is called InstaLash One-Step Fiber Mascara. I am not a fan of the 2-step fiber 3D one-step fiber mascara. So, let me just say this. I've tried the 3D fiber mascaras before. The ones where you put the mascara on and then you put the fibers on. Not a fan of it. I wear contact lenses and every time I try that, it bothers my contact lenses. So I don't know what it is, but I can't do that. So when I found this probably for the first time maybe almost a year ago, and I got it actually free. I get a lot of different products, beauty products, household products, kids products, different things on Amazon for free. I'm a part of a couple of programs that offer, things for free or discounted price if you provide a review, or just sometimes just because they want you to try their product. If anyone is interested in learning more about how to participate in that, let me know and I'll make a video about it to give you guys some tips. So just to get back to this, what it says is InstaLash is a revolutionary new one-step 3D fiber mascara that instantly volumizes, defines, and lengthens your eyelashes up to 300% of all in one simple application stroke. The sensational long-wearing formula of cream micro green tea fiber instantly binds to eyelashes, creating the most intense eyelash possible. So I love this stuff. When I wear this one, I don't even have to put on multiple mascaras. I've always been someone that put on probably 2 or 3 mascaras just because I love that big volume look that I get with multiple mascaras. And everyone knows certain brands bring certain things. Certain ones bring volume, certain ones bring length. So I've always been a person that likes to wear multiple mascaras. This is what it looks like. It's a pretty fat tube. And let me show you the brush. So this is what the brush looks like. And I'm a person, they always say kind of brush, so I do that. Let me put on my mirror because I don't know about you, but I love looking in the mirror when I put on mascara. So I like to brush up, brush across, get it on there good on top, then go under, brush like that. You can't tell me that that doesn't create a beautiful lash just in one simple mascara. Love this stuff. Absolutely the best. Look at that. Now let me put it on the other one so you can get the full effect. Man, you can't. I'm telling you, I love this stuff. I get the length I want without that clumpiness and without the weird feeling that the 3D fibers normally give you. And it's one step, guys. One step. Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. So, if you're interested in purchasing this, I'll put the product link below. Great product. Absolutely love it. Would highly recommend it. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to comment below and let me know. All right, guys. Talk to you later.